Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosie and this is Live with Rosie Rosette. Yeah, so guys, when you see me here, you know it's a cooking video. Yes, what are we making? We are making mandazi. Yes guys, let's cook mandazi like a pro. Join me as I take on this challenge of making soft, delicious mandazi like a pro. Without further ado, let's get started guys.
Feeling safe though. When you don't like the weather, you could really borrow my sweater.
So guys, this is the ingredient that you're going to use.
If you all want, we don't care whatsoever. Yesterday was so much better. I'd rather be cold as ice. If you all want, we see to see everything how it should be. Staring at empty glasses, leaving it all behind. Stupid kids, so blind, afraid to do it your turn. When you don't like the weather, you could really borrow my sweater. I'd rather be cold as ice. If you all want, we don't care whatsoever. Yesterday was so much better. I'd rather be cold as ice. If you all want. We just clicked like a switch. I felt that such let's losing time with you. I'm sick, you were there, it disappears out of nowhere. Feeling safe though. When you don't like the weather, you could really borrow my sweater. I'd rather be cold as ice. If you all want, we don't care whatsoever. Yesterday was so much better. I'd rather be cold as ice. If you all want, we see to see everything how it should be. Staring at empty glasses, leaving it all behind. Stupid kids, so blind, afraid to do it your turn. When you don't like the weather, you could really borrow my sweater. I'd rather be cold as ice. If you all want, we don't care whatsoever. Yesterday was so much better. I'd rather be cold as ice. If you all want. Waking up at noon, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up at noon, wasting time is all I do. giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's started. Being with you, it feels right. You said we could meet when it's started. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone. But she got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So the same, yeah, she does not know that everything she got.
So guys, this is how our mandazi looks. Very soft, sweet and delicious. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a like, comment down below and let me know what you think about our recipe, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in my next one. Bye.
You got time.